करपाक जाय. हां वर्सा 3 बी करता तांकां ना हे बिझनेस न्हू क्रिकेट जे हितून सगळे विलेजर येता आनी तेच विलेजर न्हू भारतीय पंचायतीचे येता. 200 भुरगे लोक ते आसा आमच्या पंचायतीन येता खेळटा. तुमी कांयच ना, तुमचो रोल काय, तुमचो रोल जाला ग्राउंड जाता तेन्ना जाता तो जातलो. प्रिमोटर असलो घातलो हांचो नंबर ऑफ प्रिमोटर विलेज पंचायती लास्ट टायम काल आमचा टीम मेलो पण वायरी वयता तेन्ना मातशें पळोवपाक जाय.
तो 21 मे ताकून स्टार्ट जालो. आतां कोणाक बेनिफीट सायन बोर्ड सायन बोर्ड
While pending secretary of Panchayat Padana,
he was not there in office for some days because of that sign pending as but now I am reported in this week.
मॅडम तुम्हाला हे मी आताची सालची खबर सांगू ना 2023
माझे असं की नेक्स्ट ग्रामसभा इलेक्शन
ना what is complete thousand out of
the same thing what was signed for. The file is pending with secretary Panchayat approval in the
ना इतल्या इंटॅक्ट करता काय म्हणणं सायन बोर्ड कोणाक बेनिफीट इतली ऑनली पेंडिंग हांव तुका म्हणना. हांव म्हणटा ते पंचायत घेवपी कित्याक पेंडिंग दवरता व्हिडिओ हे इम्पॉर्टंट न्हू. तिका सेफ्टीचे काय पडलेलेच ना जालें न्हू. सेफ्टीचे आसपाक जाय न्हू. आतां हांवें सेफ्टी मिरर घाल म्हणून सेफ्टी आतां बरें जाता सेफ्टी मिरर पूण मॅडम तो तुजे हे कुठले तो ब्रिज पळय आमचे हे आतां इश्कोला येता एक आनी पळयता दोनी वटेन या आमी आतां तूं खंय येतली तुज्या घरा कडेन वयतली जाल्यार तो ब्रिज दोनाय वटेन गाडी येता. ब्रिज ना कुठला ब्रिज न्हू हो बांबोलीम ब्रिज त्या वटेन घातला तुजो तो पडलो तुजो एका दिसांनी हांवें पळयला तो. पूण हेवटेले एक पूण जालो कांय कळना. इतले गाडयो फास्ट येता दोनाय वटेन कांयच कळना. हय मिलिटरी सायडीन हय घाट कितें लावपाक इतले फास्ट येता थंयसर इमिडिएटली घाल कित्याक वयर वयर कशें जाला आनी तुमकां ते ओल्ड आसतलो घाल न्हू थंय. हांव दिवटान म्हणून जालो एटलिस्ट मातसो क्लीन मात करता आमचो म्हणजे हें जाल्लें डस्ट भरलेलो आसता कितें काडलेलें आसा. आनी सेकेंडली ही आमची ही आसा ड्रेनेज मारला वॉल मारला रिटेनिंग वॉल मारया घरा कडेन थंयसर ते वॉल जेन्ना आमी देंवती पळय जाता तेन्ना आतां हेवटेल्ल्यान गाडी येता ती कळना भायर पावता कदर कळना आनी एक एक कोण कितें भायर पावता. पूण एटलीस्ट आमकां पावलें थंयसर गाडी सगळ्याक येता म्हणून कितें गाडी येता ती कळना सकयल सांगून आनी एक एक फावटी भायर पावता मागीर तांकां एक्सिडेंट जाता. पळय पडोसन रावता म्हाजेर खबरच ना कितें मॅडम तूं आतां हांव सांगोसर तूं रावता जाला बरें हाडलेलें बरें मातशें एक्सिडेंट जोर जालो बरें हांव ना म्हणटा पूण एक्सिडेंट हांव म्हाज्याक तुका म्हाका खबरच ना तुमकां हांव एक्सिडेंट जोर तो कळ्ळें न्हू. आनी तुजें तो सकयलूय थंयसून एल टायप आहा ना म्हाका खबर ना तुजे एरिया म्हणून हांव त्या ती तुमकां खबर आसतलो मागीर मारया थंयसर रावता मारयाकूच सांगचें पडलें न्हू. दोन म्हाका थंयसर एक थंयसर खदरा मारयाचे सकयल घरा कडेन थंयसर मॅडम थंयसर एक 3 आणि स्पीड लिमिट अजून चांगलं इवन 40-50 येता मागीर ऍक्सिडेंट झाला पडटा. भिवपाची गरज ना. कित्याक पळय आतां हांव
सरपंच आहे तुमची ग्रामसभा झाली किती किती पॉईंट
There were 2-3 points which are very this is one is the usual development issues of our village. One thing was of that there is our member Mangesh Kutikar has repeatedly has keep on in many Gram Sabhas he says that there is this what the road issue in Kurka. That the road are narrower but the constructions are been given by TCP with having a notification of 2008 where they say that proposed roads the construction license cannot be issued on proposed roads. This has been his topic from the past I think 2 to 3 Gram Sabhas. Okay. Immediately we have written to TCP and asked clarification on this because we are not the technical body to judge on this. We are being given only ownership. The panchayat body can only decide the ownership issues in the construction license. This is clearly stated for us.
टेक्निकली तुम्हाला काय येणार
No, nothing technical. So that's why our advice always is asked from TCP because they are the issuing authority. आम्ही इश्यू जर करिना सुद्धा आम्ही किती तरी एक करून आम्ही करिना सुद्धा they have the chance to go to appeal in director of panchayat within 30 days and they are getting licenses without our permission also. They don't require our permission. Secretary is director of panchayat directs secretary directly to grant the licenses. असे ना की it is on us. So I say that if there is this law where panchayats only to decide, then you can blame the panchayat. That's what I'm saying.
आनीक इशू जालो पळय तो
Yes.
गेस्ट हाऊस जावं ते पळय तो इशू जालो कित्याक आतां सद्याक एक
Yes.
टेररिस्ट अटॅक जाला पळय ताका
Right.
लागून सद्याक पॉयंट चलता आख्या देशभरान
Right.
तो जालो आनी थिंगा ते सिद्धेशान
होय.
की ताणें हें केलां की
Right.
गुडी हें हितून कुडका जावंक शकता म्हणून आनी तुमकां
Right.
आयडेंटिफाय करून सांगलें तर तुमी कितें
Right.
करतले तेजेर
So now what happens is already I have I think around 6 months back आम्ही एक अनाउन्समेंट केलं that कोणाची ट्रेड लायसन्स कोणी ट्रेड लायसन्स घेवंक ना ते पंचायती कडेन रेजिस्टर करची बट आफ्टर नाव आय हॅव सीन दॅट रिस्पॉन्स हॅज बीन व्हेरी लो आफ्टर गिविंग अनाउन्समेंट आफ्टर टेकिंग आउट पब्लिक नोटीस सुद्धा काढलंय की दॅट दोज ट्रेड लायसन्सेस विथ आर नॉट रजिस्टर्ड इन पंचायत दे विल बी डीम्ड कॅन्सल्ड it will be deemed cancelled but in spite of that nobody very few people are coming for registration. What is the reason behind that I do not know but now I have decided to take out a notice to each ward member so they should identify that if they feel that any activities are taking place as a trade नोटीस मेंबरा काढलेले त्याची पहिली सुद्धा बट वी आर नॉट गॉट
आता फ्रेश नोटीस काडटले
फ्रेश नोटीस काढलेले आणि त्यांच्या आम्ही नोटीसही काढलेले बट देम अगेन द ओनर्स आर नॉट हिअर मोस्टली सो दॅट लेटर्स आर कम बॅक or there has been no response because they are not staying in those houses are empty mostly maybe and because of that no proper responses come. So again I will request all members to give me the data and on that data we will see whether what action can be taken further.
So on this your request for the Agassaim police for tenant verification and everything?
Yes, that also has been done. That also has been done.
आनी आतां एक सद्याक तरी ग्रामसभेक येवंक ना तो इशू येवंक ना कित्याक येवंक ना तो इशू आमकां खबर ना आमी येयलेले फकत तो इशू येतलो म्हणून ताका लागून आमी येयलेले आतां सद्याक एक व्हडलो प्रभाव चडलो बांबोलीम जे मेगा प्रोजेक्ट चलता पळय ताका लागून काल एक व्हडलो मोर्चाय जालो
Right.
आनी तुमचो रोल कितें आहा हितून कित्याक हें
I
जालां
also
की
came
It was a permission was given when
Only
and
No, wait, one at a time, okay? One at a time. We'll take one thing at a time, first of all.
ओके तो तुमचे हें कितें आहा रोल कितें आहा
Okay. For the starting of this now, let us go back to March, okay? There was no complaint from anybody regarding this construction.
Okay.
Whatever was retaining wall. We are talking about retaining wall.
Retaining
huh?
wall, okay.
We are talking only about one thing.
same
now.
project.
The retaining wall.
On the-
The wall on the
Bamboli
beach.
beach.
Yes.
Bamboli.
There is no official. There was no complaint except from a villager whose name was Moini Eso Gaukar. This is what I have brought. I brought this for you because of that. Okay. She says that there is a construction going on in my property. 12/1 is my property and there is a construction going on over there. To that on 21st 3, you can see the date,
येस
21st March 2025, I have removed a stop order to Bhuvan Real Estate.
ओके
Okay? On 21st of March. And then after that on 9th of April, that is, you can see the date,
येस
we have removed an inspection notice. Okay? At that time, there was a sudden this into my office, Panchayat office, when I was not over there. And a few people came over there, they made a lot of allegations against me. Baseless allegations that I am saying.
It's the same you're talking about when the MLA had come.
Yes.
So
Okay.
including the MLA.
Yes, all of them came together in my Panchayat office when I was not there. They put baseless these accusations against me. I say baseless is because I have acted on it. I say that I have removed a stop order on 21st of March when MLA was not even aware of this. First of all, if he was aware of it, where is his letter of before 23rd of March in my Panchayat inverted saying that this thing is going on? Whether if he was aware of it and I was not aware of it. So I am saying that on 23rd of March when I removed stop order, subsequently I removed inspection notice. I am going as per my procedure. I cannot do something out of my कायदेशीर कांयच करू शकना. I will go within the purview of law. Right? I have removed an inspection notice based on the complaint of Mohini Yeshogavkar, not of anybody else.
Okay.
I am making it very clear to you. Okay? And we have done an inspection on 16th of March. 9th of March I have removed 7 days notice asta. I have to follow the protocol. I cannot bypass that for anybody, whether it is this or anybody. So 16th of April, as you can see over here at 12:45, we have taken inspection of that. After that, subsequently, show cause has been issued on 23rd of April. So who says that this? Who is saying that Panchayat is not acting and Panchayat is not taking any action on this are completely base allegations, means false allegations.
सो आफ्टर दॅट तुम्ही शोकोज नोटीस
Yes.
काढल्या उपरांत पासून
Yes.
ते काम ते चालूच आहा तो
See, 23rd of this, what
April.
is that? April.
April.
Okay, show cause kalde. The moment their reply comes, if their permissions are not in place, what is the next step for Panchayat? Demolition. Right? So I will go as per that protocol.
ओके
I cannot do anything out of that preview. Understood? थंय
So
वचून
that process is
थंय
still
वचून
underway.
हांव उबें रावन जाल्यार तें काम हाडोवचें ना. I will go as per my preview and what law permits me
ओके
to do.
सो हे आता तुम्ही शोकोज
Yes.
नोटीस काढून
Yes.
तेणी
Yes.
रिप्लाय कितें दिला
No, he has not replied.
Mungesh, आज तुवें तुजें कितें हें घाल्लेलें इश्यूज सो बिकॉज ऑफ सम प्रोजेक्ट एंड द रोड तितलो ना म्हणून सो एज पर द
म्हाजो मेन पॉयंट आसलो तो जे आपण कंस्ट्रक्शन जाता कुडकान मेगा प्रोजेक्ट म्हणून म्हणूंक शकता 39/5 20/1 and B 34/3 1B 34/2 हे सगळे हे इतले प्रोजेक्ट आसा न्हू तेणी 8 मीटर सांगला एक्झिस्टींग रोड म्हणून हांवें पंचायतीच्या नजरेक काडून दिला हायकोर्टाची ऑर्डर लायला 2010 हायकोर्टान कितें सांगलां स्ट्रिक्टली चीफ सेक्रेटरीक हे फ्युचरान हे जावपाक जायना आनी जर दिला तांकां NOC ऑक्युपन्सी सर्टिफिकेट तेंची स्टॉप करची आनी जे प्रोपोज रोडाचेर जे NOC दिला तांकां कंस्ट्रक्शन ते स्टॉप जावचें म्हणून पूण हांवें लेटर केल्लें आतां पंचायतीक 2-3 दीस पयलीं आनी पयलीं तेज्या पयलीं केल्लें डॉक्युमेंट लावन हायकोर्टाची पूण हे आमचे पंचायती सरपंच आनी सेक्रेटरी सांगता ते आमी TCPक लेटर फॉवर्ड करता म्हणून म्हाजे जे डॉक्युमेंट हांवें सांगलें तुमकां कडेन पावर ना काय ते म्हणटा आमच्या कडेन टॅक्निकल ना म्हणटा आनी आमी जे तुवें लेटरां दिला हायकोर्टाचे बी सगळे ते आमी TCPक फॉवर्ड करता म्हणून